Hello, I'm Jonathan Montoro.
I'm Phillips Lester.
And today we're going to show you how to do a tie-in replacement on a Peterbilt frame. We'll show you how to replace that tie rod in. These are the tools that we're going to use, and Philip's going to explain the tools that we're going to be using.
Okay, we got a BFM right here. It's a big old hammer. We got an 1 5/16 wrench. A set of needle nose pliers. A ratchet and a 15/16 socket. A pickle fork. And a pair of just regular old slip joint pliers.
Sounds good. What we're going to do first is we're going to remove it, drop it on both sides, and then we're going to take it and put it on a toolbox, and we'll show you how to count the threads and place tie rod in. So we're just going to remove it.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out for my partner. I'm going to pull this cotter pin out. Got it. Got that cotter pin. We're going to put it right up here, right nice and over.
You put it on a toolbox. Now I'm going to use my 15/16. I'm going to loosen this castle nut on top. And while I'm doing this, my partner is going to be on the other side, and he's going to be removing the cotter pin out of the castle nut. And it's called a castle nut because basically it looks, look at the top of it, looks like the top of a castle. Pretty simple. Basically the tie rod has a hole in it, you stick a pin in and it just holds it in, supports it.
And remember, these are mandatory replacement, these cotter pins, because when you bend them and you bend them back, hey, they break. So, but this is educational purposes only, so we're going to reuse these, save costs to the school.
Iris stain for castle nut. Looks like a castle. Crazy. I'm going to go on the other side and remove the castle nut.
And while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and put that nut right back on top of this. But we're going to use that, we're just going to tap on it a little bit, get it to go down. We might have to use our pickle fork, but I don't think so. So we're going to go ahead and thread it just a little bit on. You don't want to ever hit this because you'll mushroom your tie rod in. See how easy that just popped up? Now we're going to leave that and we're going to go do the other side. That way we can lower it down together because this is heavy. And we always work smarter, not harder. Oh wait, we work smart and hard, like the poster says.
My partner's going to go this side. I'm just going to hold it, support it, so we can drop it together when he's ready.
All right.
Now that he did that, what we're both going to do, we're going to lift up together. We're going to hold on our left hands and we're going to unloosen the nut again. Now the nut's loose.
We're going to slide her on out.
Just slide it my way. Put it on toolbox.
Hey, don't forget that camera. Don't forget that camera. All right. Let's adjust that camera. We're going to let you see what we're doing here, but we got it on the table. Nice and pretty.
What you want to do is you want to keep your stuff together. So I brought the castle nut and cotter pin so we don't lose it. Now you see, placement is key. Now we need our 15/16. Usually we use a 15/16 on loosen that. It's just a bang punch.
I'm going to go get a 15/16 wrench and put it on that side so we can get this thing out. Here we go. I'm going to do this thing right here. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to start loosening. Just like so. See that technique? Learn that at JT.
Pretty good technique.
This one's a little taut. We got it nice and loose so it can slip. I'm going to go get the hammer again. We're just going to get a little tap just to kind of get it out of place. It's got plenty of room to expand.
While he's doing that, I'm going to show you a way that you can mark these. You can either take a tape measure, measure how many threads are out. Paint mark will work, but since it's so greasy, we'll count the threads. We're going to start from this outer one and work our way all the way to the inner one. As soon as the part starts beating on it. Mr. Pearl's in our video. Alright, now that he got that loose, like I said, we're going to count it. Basically, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21. So it's 21. Mark it on the table. 21 on the driver's side.
Now, you don't have to take this off. You just have to actually loosen it. But the reason why I went ahead and took it all off is so I can go ahead and inspect for cracks underneath this housing to make sure that our torsion bar is not cracked. We don't want it to be cracked, so we're going to do an inspection.
And while he was explaining that, I went down there and counted. We got 22 threads on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and take this tie rod out here on the driver's side, and we'll show you how to do it. Basically, all you're going to do is twist it out. Remember the threads that we had. Nothing to it
but to do it.
I mean, as you can see, this tie rod is fairly new, so it didn't need replacement. We're just showing you the procedures of how you would do it.
For educational purposes only.
And this is a serviceable tie rod and greasable tie rod end. Notice the Zerk fitting and the grease boot. The seal, everything's good. So this tie rod end, in my judgment, I'd say it's good. It could be a little cleaned up.
Hey, the boot's good. You want to check for cracks in your boot. No cracks in the boot.
Nope.
Hey, I thought
we can put it back in. Now, we're just going to show you how to put it back in. It's easy. The partner's going to put it back in and count 21 threads.
21 threads. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing back in. Okay, I'm going to get it good and close. Then I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I need to go out just one more. Okay, 21 threads.
Now that my partner got it back to 21 threads, I'm just going to take my 15/16 socket and wrench and tighten it up. Basically, all you do is go from this side on this and turn there, and guess what? Now this thing will tighten. It's crazy. Crazy how stuff works. Now, I don't know if my partner explained it on this band. I'm going to show you real fast. You might not be able to see it, but these two little nipples right here. See these nipples? Right here. This is where this band needs to stay in. It can't be on the outside of it. It has to be on the inside, so it maintains pressure on this tie rod and keeps those 21 threads where it needs to be. I'll go back to tighten.
That's why you have a good partner like mine. Jonathan Montero.
If you notice, I'm doing a reverse motion, and it actually tightens faster. We're not going to completely tighten this down until we get it on the vehicle for safety purposes. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy tools and my partner.
And we're all down there. We're going to get this thing done. We're just getting this stuff right here. Alright, here we go. There we go. Look at there.
It's in between the nipples.
I'm going to use this technique called lift and lock. There we go. You can't get them muscles anywhere but the farm, folks.
Now that it got to them, we're just going to reverse it. The procedure we just did, and put it back in, tying it in. Thank you for watching. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Philip.
And we're J-Tech.